It's NAB 2023 and we're coming to the end of the show, and we always like to give an overview of the kit we've been using. This year we've been using a new camera, and we're going to have a quick look at what's behind the scenes. So we're going to start off with what's been supporting us. So we've been using a Liebech H15 camera head. Now that's on a mid-level spreader set of legs, the RT20C from Liebech, and that gives a really solid support for our camera, which we'll come on to it in a second. The camera is actually a Canon XF605. It's got a 1.0 type CMOS sensor, 4K 60p or 50p, 422 10-bit, and full HD 120p. It's got a wide angle 15 times optical zoom, dual pixel CMOS autofocus, got amazing eye detection and face detection for the autofocus. And it's got really good intelligent head tracking as well, which is really handy for the sort of work we do around doing our booth interviews. You've got Canon Log 3 and HDR dynamic range capability, and we'll come around to the other side in a second to show you the I/O connectivity. So on top of the camera, we're using a little on-camera light from Eonero. We actually carry 4 of these in our kit bag. The battery life is about an hour. It's not amazing, but actually for a little punchy camera light, it's quite handy to have on board. One of the main issues that we have quite long days and we're filming all day long. So for this show, we're using the Swit LBCA90C battery. The really cool thing about this battery is it has a USB-C output and also a DTAP output as well. We haven't been using the DTAP output, but the USB-C is really handy for charging. Well, you can charge your phone, or in previous shows we've been using the AVX microphones. Of course, you can keep those powered as well. The really nice thing about the camera is you've got full menu control on top and a really handy little joystick that gives easy menu controls. And to be honest, of all the cameras that we've used, it's probably got the most intuitive menu to really quickly find where you want to go in terms of formatting media and anything else you might want to do. In terms of connectivity, we've got our slots at the back, HDMI, Ethernet, and so you can see we haven't been using these much, and another USB-C there. Just around this side, we've got dual SD cards. At the moment, we have it in a relay configuration, so it fills one card up and then the other. But you can, in the menu, you can change those to what you like. Full audio controls here, and you've got instant access to all the controls here without having to open up any covers. You've got full auto modes, and auto white balance and so on. The normal controls that you'd expect on a camera like this, but really easy to get to. And a media thing there where you can literally push that and instantly you can see the media that you've recorded. And your normal 2 XLRs here, where we've been using the new Sennheiser MD4600 microphone. We've decided to go wired this year just to give a little bit better sound quality, and it's obviously also saving us charging the batteries as well. So that's the kit we've been using for our videos here at NAB. You can find all of that on our YouTube channel or on kitplus.com/video.